Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to find your Discord tag, that's your username and unique ID, so others can easily add or invite you. Let's get started! Step 1. Open Discord on your PC or mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. That's User Settings near your name and profile picture. Step 3. Right at the top of the Settings menu, you'll see your username followed by a hashtag and a 4-digit number. For example, GamerGuy number 1234. This is your full Discord tag. Step 4. You can right-click or tap and hold to copy it. Then you can share it with friends so they can add you. Bonus tip. If you've enabled Discord's new username system without nar1234, just go to your profile and copy the new username format, something like @yourname. Either way, both methods work depending on your account setting. And that's how to find and share your Discord tag. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast tutorials. See you next time!